Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making Shiitake Nimono. Dried shiitake mushrooms are rehydrated, cooked, and seasoned with a sweet and salty flavor. This can be eaten as is for everyday meals or used as part of the Osechi Ryori, the Japanese New Year's feast. Dried shiitake mushroom is an umami-packed ingredient often used in many Japanese dishes. The dried shiitake have more intense flavor than the fresh kind, so they are perfect for simmered dishes. We will use these simple Japanese seasonings, just soy sauce, sugar, and mirin. For complete recipe, please visit our website japanesecooking101.com. First, rehydrate dried shiitake in water for 30 minutes or until soft. Keep the water for cooking and cut off the stems. In a medium pot, add 1 cup of shiitake water and the mushrooms and cook for a couple of minutes. Add the sugar, soy sauce, and mirin. Place a parchment paper and cook for 10 to 15 minutes at medium-low heat. Cook until the liquid is reduced by half. The strong, sweet, and salty taste goes very well with steamed rice. It is also a perfect topping for noodles or other vegetable dishes. Hope you give this a try if you can get dried shiitake mushrooms.
美味しい。美味しいね。